Where are you at? LOL. Hi, I'm Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert. And I'm going to show you how to deal with text messaging on the iPhone. First thing I do is turn it back on by pushing the home button, slide to unlock it, and oh, my good buddy Matt Usher. Hey, what are you up to? I love text lingo, by the way. Am I going to reply to him? Sure. If you get a text message, you can see in the interface, you can simply hit reply. And it's going to come up. There's the beginning of our conversation. Down here is where I'm going to start typing. I type it in there. My keyboard pops up, and I go LOL and space. Now, when the suggestion comes up and you hit space, it'll drop it in there because with good text messaging protocol, your text type or your text lingo should be in caps. So LOL for laugh out loud, you guy. All right, we're going to go ahead and put that in there just as an example. All right, and at this point here, all I have to do is hit send. We're going to have a progress bar, sending, and then bing, somewhere out in cyberspace, he's got his reply to that. And then if you want to reply back, boom, and we can just go back and forth. Now, a couple of things on the keyboard is if you hold your finger down, you don't have to just type it. If you say, oh, that's W, no, I need to go over to E, as long as you're holding it down, it gets big right there. You can make sure you've got your absolute best way to do it. And then now I might be going to text him and saying, well, geez, I don't want to text all that. I really got to talk to him. Simply hit this button, boom, and it's going to call Matt Usher. I got a call in progress over here. I'm going to end the call. He's probably sleeping. All righty. And then we're back to the thing, and I go, nope, I'll go back and do the text messaging. Or I could go, geez, what was the deal with that guy? Maybe I'll email him. And then I've got all this stuff right over here. And there you go. Back and forth. It's just simply as choosing him, pushing the number, sending it off. It's a great deal. Text messaging is fun, efficient, great work tool, and a great way to waste some time. Just like me, Rokaz, your digital lifestyle expert, saying, stream you later.